Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Handling not enough values to unpack error in Python functions. Introduction. When working with Python functions, you may encounter the not enough values to unpack error, particularly when unpacking values from tuples or lists. This error occurs when you attempt to unpack more values than the iterable contains. In this tutorial, we'll explore the causes of this error and demonstrate how to handle it effectively with a clear example. Error message. The error message typically looks like this. In this case, X represents the expected number of values to unpack, and Y represents the actual number of values found in the iterable. Causes. Mismatched unpacking. Ensure that the number of variables on the left side of the unpacking operation matches the number of elements in the iterable. Incorrect iterable structure. Verify that the iterable, example tuple, list, you're trying to unpack has the expected structure. If it doesn't, the unpacking operation will fail. Example. Let's consider a common scenario where this error might occur: unpacking values from a tuple returned by a function. Suppose we have a function that returns a tuple with 4 values, and we attempt to unpack it with only one variable. Solution. To resolve this issue, make sure to unpack the correct number of values. In the example above, we need to unpack all 4 values returned by the get_coordinates function. Conclusion. Handling the not enough values to unpack error involves verifying the number of variables on the left side of the unpacking operation and ensuring that the iterable contains the expected number of values. By addressing these aspects, you can avoid this error and enhance the reliability of your Python code. ChatGPT. Title: Handling not enough values to unpack error in Python functions. When working with functions in Python, you may encounter the error message not enough values to unpack, expected X, got Y, dot. This error occurs when you attempt to unpack a sequence, like a tuple or a list, with a different number of elements than expected. This tutorial will guide you through understanding this error and how to address it, with a focus on a function that raises this specific issue. The error message provides information about the expected and actual number of values during unpacking. For example, if the error is not enough values to unpack, expected 4, got 1, it means the function is trying to unpack 4 values, but it received only 1. Let's look at a simple code example to illustrate this issue. In this example, example_function expects a list or tuple with 4 values, but it receives only 1. This results in the not enough values to unpack error. To handle this error, you can employ several strategies. Before unpacking values, check if the input sequence has the expected length. You can use an if statement to verify the length and handle the situation accordingly. If applicable, you can provide default values for the unpacked variables. This way, if there are not enough values in the sequence, the variables will be assigned default values. You can use a try except block to catch the value error raised when unpacking fails and handle it gracefully. By understanding the not enough values to unpack error and implementing appropriate error handling strategies, you can make your Python functions more robust and prevent unexpected issues related to unpacking sequences. ChatGPT.